Welcome back, my brave little adventurers, Mochella sneered. But I doubt you will take Anastasia's magic from me. Give her back her power, Isla demanded, already sensing a storm brewing within her. Amelia stepped forward, her voice steady. You may think you possess Anastasia's magic, but true power is not just in the spells but in the love and unity of family. In that moment, Ayla and Emilia linked hands, creating a beautiful vortex of energy that filled the cave. The winds began to swirl violently, intensifying until they erupted into a thunderstorm. Lightning illuminated the dark walls, and rain washed over Mochella, who shrieked in fury. No, what is happening? She screamed as the storm grew even stronger. In that chaos, Amelia concentrated hard, her mind showing her glimpses of the future. Ayla, aim at the orb with all your might. With a fierce burst of power, Ayla directed the storms toward the glowing